Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha with a Scoby. Brewing your own kombucha is a rewarding process that yields a refreshing, probiotic-rich drink. We'll cover everything from gathering your initial supplies to bottling your finished brew. You'll learn the essential techniques to ensure a healthy fermentation and how to care for your Scoby, setting you up for many successful batches to come. Let's get started. To begin your kombucha journey, you'll need a few key items. First, a healthy Scoby, which is the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with about 2 cups of strong starter tea from a previous batch. You'll also need 4 to 6 tea bags, either black or green, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and filtered water. For equipment, a 1-gallon glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band are essential. The first fermentation is where the magic happens. Start by brewing your tea in about 4 cups of hot water, then stir in 1 cup of sugar until fully dissolved. Let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, pour it into your 1-gallon jar, add the remaining filtered water, your Scoby, and the 2 cups of starter tea. Cover with the cloth and secure with a rubber band, then let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. After the first fermentation, it's time to flavor and bottle your kombucha. Carefully remove the Scoby and about 2 cups of the finished kombucha to use as starter tea for your next batch. Pour the remaining kombucha into airtight bottles, adding your desired fruits, juices, or spices for a secondary fermentation. This usually takes 1 to 3 days at room temperature. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Once carbonated, refrigerate your delicious homemade kombucha and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.